I'm Karishma Kaushik. I'm a physician scientist at the University of Pune.
Hello, I'm Snehal Kadam and I'm a PhD student in the UK. Karishma and I are the co-founders of Talk to a Scientist. Through Talk to a Scientist, Karishma and I want to share this love of science that we have with young minds in India.
It's really not going to be possible in the near future to actually go to schools. And then there was this surge in webinars. And I thought to myself, would this even be possible to use webinars to engage with kids?
I like Talk to a Scientist because I get to listen to real scientists who share their own experience, which is awesome.
I enjoyed learning about science in the kitchen and science in me, DNA and heredity.
It is fun, interactive, and my mother is the host.
Because the first class my mom enjoyed was why should our body need physical exercises? So I was wondering what they would say in the class, but after it ended, I felt this class was very exciting. For us to be part of these sessions is just fun and a golden opportunity.
We learn about different things and their definition from experts in an easy way.
We get to learn about new stuff and then that's a lot of fun.
It teaches us many new things which are helpful in our day-to-day life.
It gives me an opportunity to explore and learn.
Makes me look at things from a different perspective.
Scientists reported and interest and curiosity in science.
It changed into Monday equal to Fun Day just because of TTS sessions.
Talk to a Scientist is a platform where I can come up with my curiosities and they are solved with a lot of fun.
Talk to a Scientist began its journey on 30th March 2020.
We are India's only webinar-based, weekly, interactive and engaging science platform for young minds. And our target group is 6 to 16 years.
We use a season format with a theme for each season. Each season is made up of 10 episodes conducted by us and by guest scientists that we invite. We end each season with a fun, easy-to-do hands-on activity. And through our one-year journey, we've had sessions that discuss the tiny bacteria that grow on our skin to the big stars and planets we see in the sky.
We had an overwhelming response from young minds, from families, and from our scientific colleagues. This could be an excellent platform to showcase contemporary science being done in India and contemporary Indian science role models.
I love science because it is cool and interesting.
Without science, how will we live?
It allows me to be creative and experimental.
Science tells us that our collective consciousness is rare. I am inspired to learn deeper and connect with others.
It is something very interesting around us and it never ends.
Science is present everywhere and I love science.
I want to discover new things about the secrets about the world.
There are many new things to explore and there are several new experiments.
It teaches us about the everyday things around us, like how does a flower bloom.
It's full of wonders and mysteries and riddles and questions and about the whole world.
Whenever I attend science class, I never get bored but listen attentively.
It explains the mechanism of the beautiful things in surrounding. It is the building block of the universe.
Talk to a Scientist has completed 52 consecutive sessions and we are now on season 6.
Current season, of course, is where we are hosting PhD scholars and postdocs to talk about experimental techniques in science.
Throughout our journey, we've hosted more than 20 guest scientists. We've had an average of 40 to 50 kids join us in each session. And we had participants from all over India as well as USA, UK, Dubai and Singapore. To celebrate our first birthday, Talk to a Scientist is hosting a special episode with Professor Gagandeep Kang on COVID-19 vaccines.
We have a website which is talktoscientistindia.com. Our sessions every week are posted there. Thank you, India Bioscience and the Outreach Grants team for investing in us and for seeing the potential of our platform.
Talk to a Scientist has received so much support from all our young minds, their families, the wider Indian scientific community, and as well as India Bioscience who have funded our platform.
We look forward to engaging with you in the years to come.